The molar ratio is a key indicator to evaluate the degree of charring of biochar and its chemical stability. According to the European Biochar Certification (EBC), biochar should have a molar ratio below 0.7 to ensure its high stability and long-term carbon sequestration capabilities. The lower the ratio, the more stable the biochar is, indicating that it is not easily degraded in the environment, thereby achieving a low carbon footprint and longer carbon storage time. The choice of biomass feedstock has a significant impact on the molar ratio of biochar. Biomass with high lignin content, such as wood and coconut shells, usually produces biochar with a low biochar ratio due to its complex structure that easily forms a stable carbon skeleton at high temperatures. In contrast, biomass with high cellulose and hemicellulose content, such as straw and rice husk, easily forms volatile products during the carbonization process, resulting in a higher biochar ratio. In addition, carbonization conditions can also control the molar ratio. Optimizing carbonization temperature and time can further reduce the molar ratio of biochar and improve its stability and carbon sequestration capacity.